Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Imagine diving into a world where characters seamlessly transition between animation and live action in the DC universe. Might be James Gunn introduces Frank Grillo as Rick Flag Sr., a morally intricate character set to make waves across various projects. Gunn teases viewers with a glimpse into Grillo's versatile portrayal, promising a multifaceted and complex character journey. Rick Flag Sr.'s dynamic presence extends beyond the screen, challenging traditional hero archetypes. As viewers prepare to witness this intriguing character, Gunn hints at unexpected twists and turns in Flag Sr.'s moral compass. Amidst this excitement, a lighthearted joke awaits at the end of the journey, adding a sprinkle of humor to the mix. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.